Going up.
Alright, we're here at the Olin garage, Santana Row. This thing's all the way on 3 right now. I think this goes into the apartments. Ooh, an Aurora. I think that's locked. Nope. That's loud. I don't know which floors work and which don't. We'll find out. I think 3 is gonna be locked. That's just a hunch. None of the buttons light up. That's kind of funky. Yeah. Man, why are none of the buttons working in there? Anyways, here we are. There's some people waiting, so let's go. Look, here's the